today for the Bitcoin price. And you can see it already in the title. Probably you are confused because you know how the chart looks for Bitcoin, right? Doesn't look all too good. Why am I making this statement here? I want to talk about that. I have one chart I wanted to show you for a long time, and actually now I have the best opportunity to do so, which actually shows us a very clear direction for Bitcoin, which might be surprising for, I don't know, 98, 99% of the people watching this. Watch this video until the very end, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I am going to go into the charts and show you something you've not seen before. Let's go straight into it. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. The last video's crazy. The last video, like 8,000 something likes. We get insane views on this channel. We get insane engagement. I truly appreciate every single one of you for doing so. And now let's go straight into the charts. Let's talk about what's going on. I'm here actually in a cabana, hanging by the pool, right? Because as I said, I really needed some silence, some relaxation, but shouldn't hold me back to make these videos. I know that hundreds of thousands of people are waiting for them, and I'm here for you. Let's talk about what is going on here. And first of all, it's not the chart I wanted to show you. This chart I have shown you multiple times, right? Where we have the 11-year resistance. This is the Bitcoin price in the last 12 years. 11, 12-year resistance, and every single time we are touching this, we are going into the severe bear market, right? We're touching it there, going to a severe bear market, and then of course this time for the first time ever, and that is already the starting point of the story here. We are touching it 2 times, right? We touched it, boom, down, and then we touched it once again here. And this severe bear market, I don't know where it is, right? It's just not happening. Now the question is it going to happen? Well, if you're looking here, if you're zooming in, it seems like yes, because we just broke a multi-month trend to the downside, confirming the breakout here, right? Not bullish, actually very bearish. But the more we are zooming out, the more it begs the question, is this really what's happening right now? Should we really be very bearish on Bitcoin? Or is this the exact moment where we should be much more bullish than ever before? I mean, I want to show you one chart here. The last time where this happened, what happened basically this week, Bitcoin went from 3,800 US dollars all the way up to 64,000 US dollars, to 69,000 US dollars actually. Now let me go straight into it here before I go into the charts and tell you exactly how I am ruling out this, how I am ruling or handling this situation for Bitcoin. I want to go into this chart, and here I want to give a big shout out to Crypto Rover, my friend from the Netherlands, who I think he lives also here in Dubai. Big shout out to him. He prepared this chart. It's a chart I wanted to show you for a long time. I'm going the easy way. I want to show you this one here. So he shared that on Twitter. What you can see is the orange line is the Bitcoin price, right? And the green line is the US dollar index. And what you can see, of course, the Bitcoin price, you're very familiar with that. I just showed it to you before. But the green line is interesting. It's the US dollar index. So the higher the green line goes, the stronger the US dollar is. So, of course, we have it going here very, very high, the US dollar index going to 103, which is historically extremely high. It was very strong, the US dollar in 2017. And what happened? It was the beginning of this crazy bull run of Bitcoin from 1,000 US dollars all the way up to 19,700 US dollars. Then the bear market usually hits when the US dollar is weak. That's where the bear market starts. And then you can see right here, and this here, where I'm zooming in, this is March 2020, the C dump, the Black Thursday, where like everything went bearish and everyone sold their assets. That's important to understand. You see where it says Bull Run 2020? In this exact moment, that was the Black Thursday. So everyone sold their assets, gold, silver, crypto, Bitcoin, everything into US dollar. If you sell into US dollar, of course, the US dollar is getting stronger as demand for the US dollar is increasing. And historically, when the US dollar index is high, when the US dollar is very, very strong, everyone is bearish on assets like Bitcoin. That happened right here where Bitcoin just dumped down to 3,100 US dollars and the start of the bull run 2020 unfolded. Now, we had a very weak US dollar actually in the year 2021, where we had the bull market top. US dollar weak, people selling US dollar into Bitcoin. But ever since then, for the last, man, it was like a disturbing, let me go back. It was a disturbing, boring, frustrating time in terms of prices. But ever since then, dear ladies and gentlemen, the US dollar got stronger and stronger and stronger. And we are right now getting into this incredible zone of strength for the US dollar. This zone is usually the beginning of a big bull market. And yes, I have to tell you, this doesn't tell us exactly it's starting today. What it is telling us though, historically speaking, every single time the US dollar index went into this red area, it was a question of weeks where the next bull market started. So translated into price predictions, subjective price predictions, might be wrong, might be right. It means Bitcoin can still go lower, right? My worst case scenario is and was and will be 30,000 US dollars possible. Extremely unlikely, possible. What I am telling you though, in the next few weeks, much more likely than not, the next bull market is going to start. And this is important. Yes, if you are trading, fine, I have the links down below. You can get a bonus trade if you're an experienced trader. But more importantly, if you are not owning any Bitcoin right now, or if you have disposable income which you don't need for your living, of course, make your own research, buy, invest, purchase everything at your own risk. Only my subjective opinion. But you are running the danger to stand on the sidelines when the big moonshot comes. Do you want this or not? Let me know down below. Smash up the like button if you agree. Smash up the like button if you disagree. But let me know down in the comment section. This is, dear ladies and gentlemen, potentially the beginning of something big. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.